The one rule to a perfect egg fried rice is harmony. You need one ingredient from the ocean, one meat ingredient from land, eggs for a rich, savory flavor, and vegetables that have a longer cooking time. Scallions and garlic build the aroma, shallots add sweetness, then finish with a touch of lemon to balance out the heavier seasonings. Combined with day-old rice, such a combination of ingredients give a burst of different textures and flavors. We start by slicing the Chinese sausage. Sweet, smoky, and packed with umami, a classic ingredient for adding a bold flavor to fried rice. Next, we dice the prawns. Sweet with a bouncy texture, it adds a clean contrast to the other richer ingredients. I use scallions in two parts. First, I separate the stem from the green leaves. The sliced stems go in early to add that pungent onion flavor. The leaves will also be sliced, and when cooking, they will be added later as their purpose is to add a fresh aroma. The next ingredient is a little unconventional and might be hard to find for some people, as they are more commonly sold in Chinese supermarkets. Garlic scapes. Trim a bit off the top and bottom, then slice them into 2 to 3 centimeter pieces. They have a longer cooking time, so they can stay in without overcooking, hence you can fry the rice for a longer period to get crispier rice grains. For flavor harmony, shallots add sweetness, the counterpoint to the smoky Chinese sausage and pungent scallion stems. Garlic's the backbone early on the cooking stage. It will pull the egg, shallots and rice flavors together. We will be dicing them, but not finely. Keep them a bit big as we do not want them to burn and turn bitter. Cut your lemon into half. Then cut a half into thirds. Only 1/3 of the half will be used. Remove its seeds. It won't be egg fried rice without eggs. Crack 2 eggs and mix it with salt. MSG is an icon of fried rice, but I will be using half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon with 10 milligrams of water instead. We start by cooking the diced prawns first. Cook them until lightly browned and just cook through, then set aside. Next, throw in the Chinese sausages. These burn quickly, so just 10 seconds of searing on one side, then another 10 to 20 seconds of stir frying before taking them out. Now to cook the fried rice, add a generous amount of oil, then throw in the shallots. Once they start losing the color, add the eggs and immediately scramble them. Then add in the garlics onto the egg and scramble again. Soon after you add in the rice, start punching the rice with your ladle to break apart the clumps and to mix them with the egg. As I'm cooking the fried rice, you will see me occasionally pushing the rice against the wok. This is to ensure all rice grains have contact against the hot metal of the wok for an even cooking. And this is what creates a light browning, the Maillard reaction on the rice grains. Next, I add a small circular drizzle of sesame oil, then stir and toss. It coats the grains as they fry and adds that nutty finish. Because I'm on induction, I don't toss continuously as there's no fire. Tossing on induction is for mixing seasonings and ingredients evenly. So after mixing, I focus more on the contact time of the rice against the wok, but I still move it around occasionally with a ladle so the top layer of rice does not start steaming. I then add 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce and 2 light circular drizzles of soy sauce. After letting the rice sit for a bit, stir it again, then add in the scallion stems and the garlic scapes. I enjoy more crispy bits in my fried rice as it adds a fun texture, but to achieve that, the rice needs to be fried for longer. With a vegetable like garlic scapes, we can achieve this without anything being overcooked. The trick to improve aroma is to bury the scallion stems under the rice, that way they fry underneath the rice and let out their onion fragrance into the fried rice. Add the rest of the ingredients followed by the chicken bouillon mixture, then toss and let it sit but still stirring occasionally. Finally, add the lemon and some white pepper. Give it some final mixes and let it cook off the moisture. Once crispy bits are visible, it is time to serve the fried rice. The combination of these ingredients harmonize together so well, bringing an immense flavor and an enjoyable texture to this egg fried rice.